I do, so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move, so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Stop and go. Stop and go tayo guys dito. Uy. Kanina wala siyang ano. Kanina back ride siya, ngayon naka-ADB na. Medyo may katagalan din kasi pag hindi mo hinarangan doon, hindi mo tingnan nyo naman. One way lang talaga. One way lang talaga guys. Yun, ganyan lang dito. Diyan pa, iniharang ko yung kanyang